This is my review of the Peppa Pig car, which I purchased from B&M in England for £7.99. It's very entertaining for children. You could push down Daddy Pig. Alternatively, you can open up and off it goes. One of the negatives is that he doesn't come with George. When he comes with Daddy, Mummy and Peppa. There is a groove in the seat there for George. For that, we had to buy a second kit, which contained Daddy, Mummy, Peppa and George. This cost about £2 from Home Bargains. All of their arms move independently, and you can get them all to stand up in different ways. The legs do move, as do the arms. So as you can see, George, pick him up, he sits in there perfectly. Very short review. So now, when you push Daddy Pig down, off they go. Thanks for watching.